In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger VPS in just a few minutes. Whether you want to run applications, host a website, or even create a gaming server, Hostinger's VPS gives you the flexibility and power you need. Let's walk through the steps so you can get started quickly. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Hostinger website. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a clean interface designed to help you set up your online projects. The next step is to log in. Look at the top right corner of the page and click the login button. Enter your account details to access the dashboard. If you're new to Hostinger, you can sign up with a simple registration process that gives you access to all their tools. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Also known as the H panel, this is your control center for every service you manage. From here, look for the section labeled VPS. This is where you'll begin setting up your virtual private server. Hostinger's layout is designed to keep things simple, so even if it's your first time using a VPS, you'll find everything clearly organized. Once you click on the VPS option, Hostinger will present you with several use cases. These include hosting applications, running websites, or managing gaming servers. Choose the option that matches your goal. These categories help Hostinger set up the server with the best performance and configuration for your project. Next, select the KVM VPS option. KVM stands for Kernel-Based Virtual Machine, and it provides excellent stability and performance. It's one of the most reliable forms of virtualization and is ideal for users who want more control, better security, and smooth operation for their apps or websites. If your goal is to host a gaming server, then the Game Panel option is the perfect choice. When you select Game Panel, Hostinger prepares a special environment built specifically for games. It includes optimized settings, easy management tools, and helpful features that keep your server running smoothly. Whether you're hosting for a small group or a larger community, the Game Panel ensures a better experience for everyone. Once you've chosen the VPS type you want, Hostinger will guide you through the setup process. You'll be able to choose the server location, adjust resources like CPU and RAM, and finalize your plan. After the VPS is created, you can access it through SSH or through Hostinger's built-in management tools. From there, you can install software, upload files, configure settings, and start building whatever you need. And that's all it takes to start using Hostinger VPS. With its power and flexibility, you can run apps, manage websites, or host full game servers with ease. If you ever need help along the way, Hostinger's support team is always available. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your VPS setup simple and stress-free.